Hi guys, so now we're going to do video 2 on pH and pOH because we're going to have to deal with bases a little bit separately than we would from acids. Same things apply, however, the general reaction, and I'm just going to use a strong base, disassociates, giving me B plus OH minus, and this would be my reaction. And then I have initial change in equilibrium. But what I'm getting here is going to be my hydroxide ion concentration. So we have an additional step over the last one where we have to find out, we would be able to take the negative log of the hydroxide ion concentration, but that's not going to equal pH, that's going to equal pOH. So you have to remember to go back and convert that then to pH. So let's do an example. Let's say we have a weak base and it's Kb is equal to, let's do 5.93 times 10 to the negative 6. And let's say our original concentration of our base is 0.100 molar. And we want to know what will be the pH of the solution. We are wanting to know the pH, however, not the pOH. So how does that change the problem? Well, just a little bit. One more step. So 0.10000. Lose x, gain x, gain x. 0.100 minus x, x, and x. Kb is going to equal x times x divided by 0.100 minus x. And since this number is so small, I'm going to assume that x is much, much smaller than 0.100. So that makes me able to eliminate that x, and so I would get 5.93 times 10 to the negative 6 equals x squared divided by 0.100. So, to do the math, 5.93 second E negative 6, and I'm going to multiply by 0.1, and that gives me this number. And then to calculate what x equals, I need to take the square root of it. So I hit the square root button, and then second answer equals, and I get 7.70 times 10 to the negative 4th. And if you want to go back and check your assumption, go here and subtract your answer that you got here from 1.00 minus this number and see if the significant figures change at all, and they do not. The trick here is to remember this is the hydroxide ion concentration. So I can find the pOH by taking the negative log of 7.70 times 10 to the negative 4th. And when I do that, so I'm going to do negative log second answer equals, and I get 3.113. I have 3 significant digits, and I have 3 significant digits, so we're all good. We have to remember that's pOH, which is 3.113. But the question asked you for pOH, or for pH, not pOH. So pH is going to equal 14 minus 3.113. So 14 minus second answer equals 10.88, and I get 65. So that's going to round up to 887 is the pH. And a good way to check for this is maybe make a note for yourself or something that the pH should be greater than 7 because you've added a base. So I think that should be okay. Please let me know if you have any other questions, and I will be happy to answer. Thank you.